How to fix Lazada OC01 error. I'm going to show you two different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up the app itself, and then once you have the app open, click on, I'm going to close this, you want to just close these pop-ups here. I'm going to go back, you want to click on account. Once you click on account, in the bottom right corner you will go into settings, and then you want to select account information. From here, you have to choose change password, so just click on change password, and you need to set a new password while connected to a different network. For example, if you're using mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi, and if you're using Wi-Fi, switch it off and change your password using mobile data. Once you have done this, if it still doesn't work, another thing that you can do is open up Google. I'm just going to go back, and you want to search for contact Lazada customer service. Click on the help center here, the first website that pops up, and you have to call them and explain the issue which you are getting. In our case, that's going to be OC01. You will tell them the error name and they can further assist you with that. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.